If you have some spare time, or better yet, just make the time to check out the Startup Stadium competition right here on the exhibit hall floor today and the first half of tomorrow. You'll get to listen to the leaders of select nascent companies from all over the world and from across the life sciences spectrum do live 6-minute pitches with a lot on the line. They're all competing for a sizable prize. Nareg Sagherian, Bio's Director of Investor Relations and Programming, oversees that contest, and Laurie Actman, the Chief Marketing and Communications Officer of UPenn's Center for Innovation, is one of this year's judges. I spoke with them earlier about this cool competition. Welcome to Good Day Bio. It's great to have the two of you here.
Thank you for having us.
Sure, so let's start with you, Nareg, because I think there's probably a good deal of people out there who don't know what the Startup Stadium is. What is it?
It is Bio's own version of Shark Tank. It's where we kind of put the spotlight on early stage companies, very, very early stage companies, and we have them apply to our program, have them go through a round of review, and then we pick our finalists and have them present in front of stakeholders within the Bio International Convention and potentially get 3 prizes if they get chosen as a winner.
And so 50 companies have been selected to do live 6-minute pitches here on the exhibit hall floor.
Exactly. The 50 companies will present in front of 6 to 10 judges for 6 minutes. They'll get 8 minutes of Q&A, kind of back and forth feedback, and then we will select a winner from one winner from each of the 5 sessions.
And Laurie, you're one of those judges who gets to watch these live pitches and then test them with some of the Q&A, and you also help select the finalists from the field of about 150 that applied to be here at Bio.
Right.
So what appealed to you or appeals to you? What are the things that you look for in a good pitch?
Well, at Penn, I've had the opportunity to see some amazing startups emerge out of our research portfolio. And so what I'm really looking for out of these pitches is compelling science, or science that I think will have an impact and is different or is filling a gap in what's already out there. Number 2, I look for a market need. So what problem is it solving or helping to solve even further? And number 3, I look for experience and passion. It's really hard to move a startup forward. You're presented with hurdles every day. So having passion and even the CEO's personal story, I think, can help connect you to why you think this startup is really going to make it.
All makes perfect sense and sound like excellent criteria to use. What's at the end of the rainbow? What do the winners get?
Absolutely. The winners each get 3 prizes. They get a Bio prize, which is a membership to Bio. They get a venture investor prize, which is an interaction with a biotech venture capital firm, and they get an innovation prize, which is an investment potentially by an accelerator within the ecosystem and within the biotech ecosystem. So it's something where we can hopefully take them and get them to that next stage of life, that small, medium-sized enterprise level. And whatever we can do, we try to do it here at Bio.
And Laurie, as you mentioned, as somebody who's seen firsthand what startups at the UPenn level need, how crucial are those things in the early stage of a company?
Oh, it's amazing. Not only the access to money, but the resources and the advice you would get through an accelerator, incubator, and being part of the biotech ecosystem. That is what really helps accelerate the growth of any startup. In Philadelphia and at Penn, we've tried to create a similar ecosystem. What Bio has done is kind of brought this to a huge international level. So I think the visibility and the relationships and the resources are an amazing potential win for any startup that is successful in this competition.
Great, well, good luck judging the rest of the way, and we will look forward to hearing who the winners are tomorrow on Thursday.
Absolutely.
Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.